It's no wonder that people considered adding imagery to wood to be a very difficult process. Fortunately for us, however, times change, tools change, and techniques change. Hello, my name is Curtis, and I am building a company that is all about helping you, or anybody for that matter, create heirloom quality imagery and items from exotic woods. Okay, maybe not just anybody, but anybody that can handle one of these machines right here, a plunge router. Now it's not just a plunge router, it's a plunge router equipped with one of these bad boys right here. Now don't be put off by its diminutive size. This here is a precision engineered tool that converts your plunge router into a handheld CNC machine. This kit, and it's nothing more than a bushing and a bearing, his whole goal in life is to position your router bit on one side or the other of a cut line. When the bushing is on, as it is right now, the router bit is positioned on the inside portion of a cut line, so you use it to remove all of the material out to the cut line. When you take the bushing off, the router bit is now positioned on the outside portion of the cut line, and that is how you create your inlays. Because you use the exact same pattern, template if you will, to cut out both the inlay and the void, the inlay fits perfectly into the void. And that's all router-based inlays is. And that's where EZInlays comes into play. What we do is we create a whole bunch of patterns allowing you to build all sorts of imagery in wood quickly, safely, easily, repetitively.